Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. Today we will learn how to create a harmonic progression using GarageBand for iPad. Feel free to pause and rewind this video at any moment for as many times as you need until you understand every step perfectly. When you finish your project, please upload it to the Harmonic Sequences assignment located in our Music Google Classroom. Ready? Here we go. The first thing you need is an iPad. If you don't have one, you can also use an iPhone, but please ask your parents for permission before using any device. Secondly, you need to make sure that GarageBand is installed in your device. Remember, this is a free app that is already pre-installed in your device. If it is not installed, please ask your parents to help you log in to the App Store and downloading the app. Also, if you have already installed it, please make sure that it is updated to the current version. Once you have your device and GarageBand installed, open the app. You will enter the main screen. In the upper right corner, you will find a plus icon. Once you have your device and GarageBand installed, open the app. You will enter to the main screen. In the upper right corner, you will find a plus icon. Tap on it to create a new project. Once your new project is created, observe that in the upper middle part of your screen, you have two options: Tracks and Live Loops. Select Tracks. There, scroll either to the left or to the right until you find Music Library. Open it and make sure you have installed all of the different sounds. Don't worry, they are all for free. Once you have downloaded them all, this can take a while, tap on the OK icon and go again to the track menu. Before we move forward, there's a couple concepts you need to learn. GarageBand is a DAW, which stands for Digital Audio Workstation. In other words, it is an app that allows us to create, edit, record, and share our files like songs or podcasts. A chord is a group of three or more notes that sound at the same time and combine harmoniously. This means they sound okay when played together. Though they are mostly represented by notes, we can also use letters and numbers to write chords. In music composition, a chord progression or harmonic progression is a succession of chords. Once we have understood these three simple concepts, we can continue. Once on the tracks screen, scroll left or right until you find Guitars. Select Smart Guitar. It will open the instrument screen in the middle part of and lower part of your screen and the recording controls on the upper part of the screen. Now, tap on the plus icon on the upper right part of the screen. Then tap on Section A and set the number of bars to Automatic. Tap Out. Choose any of the autoplay options by tapping on the autoplay knob. We will use the harmonic sequence C, G, A, M, F, G, and we will change chords every 8 beats. Tap on the C chord so that it plays right before you begin recording. To begin recording, tap on the record button, which is the red button located right at the middle upper part of your screen. You will hear the metronome count, tap, 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 for 4 beats, and then it will start recording. Here is the example. Remember, change chords every 8 beats. Every tap counts as a beat. Once you finish recording, tap on the stop button, which is located left to the record button, to stop recording. If you did it right, you should have recorded 10 bars. The green bar will reach number 10. If you don't, you can adjust the length of the green bar by tapping on it and scrolling it to the left. Once you're done, go to the main screen and rename your file with your name and class. To do so, tap on the file until the menu scrolls and tap on Rename. Tap on OK. Again, tap on the file and tap on Share. Share this file as a GarageBand project. Search for Google Classroom. If you don't have it, go to More and search from the list. If it is not there, you need to download and install this app in your device. Follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to upload your file to your assignment. Remember, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email. Good luck sequencing music.